Yes, look at the question number 4. Find the missing values. Find the missing values. Find the missing values. Base of a triangle is given that 15 centimeter, and height you have to find, and area of triangle is given. Area of triangle is given. That area of triangle is 87 centimeter square. 87 centimeter square. Here base is given in centimeter, so area is also given in centimeter square. So you need not to convert the units and all. So what is the area of the triangle? We know that half into base into height, which is equal to 87. Now what is the base? Base is 15. We don't know the height. We are going to find the height only. So height equal to 87. Area is 87. So h equal to 87 into 2. Transpose is 15 by 2 from left hand side to right hand side. Then it will be 2 by 15. 2 by 15. Am I right dear? Yes. Now 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. 174 by 15. Am I right? 87 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. 174 by 15. So then 115 is 15. 115 is 15. Remaining 2. Then again 115 is 15. 11.159 I think so. 6 15s are 90. I think so. Then it will be 11.6 centimeter. This is the height of the triangle. This is the height of the triangle. Am I right? I think this portion is not clear. Okay, wait. Am I right? Then height of the triangle, that is equal to 87 into 2 by 15. 87 into 2 by 15. Then height equal to 87 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 16. 174 by 15. Then which is equal to 11.5 centimeter. 11.5 or 16. 115 is 15. Remaining 2, 15. Here 15 into 6 ways are 30. 30, 90. Then 11.6 centimeter. 11.6 centimeter. Are you getting there? Which is the height of the triangle. Which is the height of the triangle. Now, come to the next part, that is second part. It is given that, what it is given, that is base you have to find. Height is given 31.4 millimeter. 31.4 millimeter. Then area of triangle, which is equal to, what is the area of a triangle? It is given that, yes, that is 1256 mm square. 1256 mm square. 1256 mm square. What is the area of triangle? Half into base into height. Area of triangle is what? Half into base into height. So half into base into height, that is equal to 1256. Here it is given the same unit only. So half into base, we don't know that. Height it is given that 31.4, which is equal to 1256. Now 1 2 is 2. 15 2s are 30. Remaining 1. 7 2s are 14. So then base, that is equal to 1256 by 15.7. 15.7. Now what you can do? Just multiply by 10 here. Then you will get like 12560 by 157. 157. 3 plus 5 8. 8 plus 6 14. 6 plus 7 13. Okay. Now otherwise just you find the multiples of what? 157. Multiples of 157. 157, here we need a unit digit is 6, right? Okay, we will check with 8. 8 7s are 56. 5 8s are 40, 45. 4, 8 plus 4, 12, 1256. Yes, we got it. So then it will be 1 times of 157. Here it is 8 times of 157 is 1256. Then therefore B, that is equal to 80 millimeter. 80 millimeter. Are you getting there? Yes. Now come to the third part now. The third part is height of the triangle you have to find. Okay, that is question number 4, third part. Question number 4. third part. Height of the triangle you have to find. Base it is given 22 centimeter and area is given. Area of a triangle is 170.5 centimeter square. Now what is area of triangle formula? Half into base into height, which is equal to 170.5. Am I right? Now what is the base here? 22. So half into 22 into height, that is equal to 170.5. 1 2 is to 11 2 is 22. So height equal to 170.5 by 11. Now 111 is 11, 111 is 11, remaining 6, 5 11s are 55, remaining 5, then 5 11s are 55. Therefore height that is equal to 15.5 centimeter. This is the height of the triangle. This is the height of the triangle. Are you getting it here? Yes. So we completed 2 questions today. Question number 3 and 4, and then tomorrow we will do question number 5 and 6. Am I right? Okay. Thank you everybody. Thank you.